Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Reader's Workshop. Let's read our teaching point today to see what we're going to learn about. Teaching point. I can read more than one book on my topic to learn even more. So last time we read the book Backyard Animals and it was about rabbits. And today we're going to read the book Backyard Wildlife Rabbits. Both of these books are about rabbits, but when we read a book on the same topic, it just helps us to learn more and more new facts. So I can read two different books on the same topic and learn so much more. We have been reading so many nonfiction books and learning so much. Have you ever read different books about the same topic? I really love rabbits. So today I want to read a new book about rabbits so I can learn so much more about them. If you love a certain topic, you can find more and more books on that same topic to teach yourself more things. The more we learn about a topic, the more we can retell everything we have learned. So remember, a nonfiction book tells us something real. It includes true facts. It has real pictures. It has text features such as captions, headings, and labels. And it teaches you something. And they are on all different levels about so many different topics. First, let's go over what we learned in our rabbit book that we read last time. Then we're going to read a different book about rabbits to see how much more we learned on the topic. So when we read this book last time about rabbits, we learned rabbits have short tails. Rabbits have long legs and run fast. Rabbits eat grass. Baby rabbits are called kits. Do you remember? Because it's like they're kittens. They look like little baby kittens, but they're little baby rabbits. Rabbits can live in a nest. So we learned so many facts from this book about rabbits. So now let's look at our new book and see how much more we can learn. So we're going to learn more facts about rabbits, and it's the same topic, but we're going to see what new facts we can learn. What are rabbits? Rabbits are small, furry animals. They hop around on the tips of their toes. Oh, look at the picture. You can see that they're on their tippy toes. Rabbits have small front legs and large back legs. Oh, do you notice in the picture? Here are some small legs, and here are the long back legs. Rabbits hit their legs against the ground to talk to other rabbits. Wow, this is a new fact. Our other rabbit book didn't have this. I didn't even know that. Rabbits hit their legs to talk to other rabbits. See here, they're talking to each other. Rabbits often wiggle their noses. This helps them smell and breathe. Do you see how we're learning so much more in this new rabbit book? Rabbits live in grasslands, deserts, forests, and wetlands. So these are all the different places that rabbits live. Rabbits eat grass, twigs, and plants. They also eat from gardens. I remember our other rabbit book told us that rabbits eat grass, but they also eat twigs and plants. Rabbits have big eyes. They look for predators on the ground and in the sky. So predators are people that maybe could hurt them. Big ears help rabbits hear predators. They freeze when they hear danger. So this bold word is freeze. And freeze means that they don't move. So their big ears don't move. Then rabbits run away quickly. They zigzag back and forth to escape predators. Run! See how it's running? Wow! Both of the books we have been reading were about rabbits, but they each told us new information. When you really love a topic, you can read as many books as you can find on that same topic to keep learning about it. So if you love bears, you can find so many books about bears and learn different facts in each one. You can find books about anything you love on the same topic and just learn more and more. Now let's look at all the different facts we learned from each book. We went over in this book, it said rabbits have short tails. They have long legs and run fast. They eat grass. And our other new book told us they hop on their tippy toes. They have small front legs and large back legs. So we learned so many different facts in each book, and both of these books were the same topic about rabbits. So your activity today is, what new facts did you learn about rabbits from our nonfiction book about rabbits? Draw and write something new you learned. Both of these books are on Epic. If you would like to go and reread them to help you, you can, and I will link them in our class story. I can't wait to see all your great and wonderful work.